One, two, three.
사랑해요.
Hello guys, for today's video, I'm going to do an unboxing in a whole flip through of the 2022 365 Limelight Planner. So let's start. I just received this package this morning and I'm very excited to unbox it with you guys. So here it is guys, it is so pretty and so cool. The details were so chic, it's very aesthetically pleasing. Limelight did a very good job in designing this 365 planner of them. Now that the cover is gone, I can really say it is very eye-pleasing. Look at those details. The gold details and the botanical drawings really matches perfectly with each other. Now let me just take away this one. It says here, after a year of healing comes a year of success, from Limelight PH. Also have here a magnetic bookmark. Look at this, it's so chic. And here we have their very cool front page. Look at those gradients, it's very aesthetically pleasing, everyone. Followed by a message page from Limelight page and a 2022 calendar. Were so cool. They also have here the 2023 calendar and as well as the 2022 Philippine holidays. As you can see, the details were superb. Next page is the goals page and the bucket list page for 2022. A whole year mood tracker for 2022, then followed by the month of January. As you can see here, they designed a calendar and then followed by the daily pages. I love how they put the manifestations page in their planner. This affirmations page is absolutely my favorite. While this quote here is a bomb. For the month of December is to give ideas so that you know where to put your 13 months. Just kidding. I also love how they put fun questions on each page of the weekly spreads as well as the calendar. Then after the monthly spreads is the 2022 highlights and the birthday tracker, followed by the Philippines travel map and the tourist spots here in the Philippines. Also, I found this bill tracker functional for me because I have a lot of bills. They also have here the notes page, which I very love because it's very functional. On the back, they have this sticker previews that's very cute. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and flip through the 2022 Limelight 365 Days Planner. Also, I put the link of this beautiful and aesthetic planner in the description box, so you must check it. Disclaimer, this is not sponsored. And now for the verse of the video, 2 Corinthians 5:17. The old has gone, the new is here. Till my next vlog, goodbye guys!
1, 2, 3.
사랑해요.
My darling, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.